tired of the 9 to 5 grind? Dreaming of a life where your work fits around your passions, not the other way around? Well, you've clicked on the right video, because today we're diving deep into the ultimate guide to building a lifestyle business. So, what exactly is a lifestyle business? Forget the hustle culture of scaling to a billion-dollar empire. A lifestyle business is created with one primary goal: to sustain a particular level of income that supports your desired lifestyle. It's about freedom, flexibility, and doing what you love on your own terms. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about living richly every day. The first and most crucial step is to define your why. What does your ideal life actually look like? Do you want to travel the world, spend more time with your family, or live in a cabin in the woods? Get specific. How much income do you need to make this a reality? This isn't just a number, it's your North Star. It will guide every decision you make and keep you motivated when challenges arise. Write it down, create a vision board, do whatever it takes to make it real and tangible. Next, let's talk about your skills and passions. The sweet spot for a lifestyle business is where what you love, what you're good at, and what people will pay for all intersect. Are you a talented writer, a graphic design wizard, a fitness enthusiast, or an amazing cook? Make a list of your skills, hobbies, and interests. Then, start brainstorming how you could turn one of these into a service or product. Think about problems you can solve for others. Maybe you can offer freelance writing services, create custom meal plans, or sell your unique craftwork online. The key is to start with something you genuinely enjoy, because that passion will be your fuel. Now, let's get practical. You need to validate your idea. Don't spend months building something nobody wants. Start small. Talk to potential customers. Are they willing to pay for your solution? You can create a simple landing page, run a small survey, or offer your service to a few people for a discounted rate to gather feedback. This validation phase is priceless. It saves you time, money, and heartache down the road. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Test, learn, and iterate. Once you have a validated idea, it's time to build your foundation. This doesn't have to be complicated. Start with the essentials. Choose a memorable business name. Create a simple website or a professional social media profile. Set up a way to accept payments. In the beginning, lean and agile is the name of the game. Use free or low-cost tools whenever possible. Your focus should be on delivering value to your first few clients or customers and creating a fantastic experience for them. Finally, let's talk about marketing and growth. For a lifestyle business, you don't need a massive marketing budget. Your best marketing tool is your own authentic voice. Share your journey, provide genuine value, and build a community around your brand. Create helpful content, engage with your audience on social media, and leverage word of mouth. Happy customers will become your biggest advocates. The goal is to create a sustainable stream of clients or customers that allows you to live the life you designed, not to be constantly chasing the next big thing. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Building a lifestyle business is a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. It's about designing a life you're excited to wake up to every single day. Takes work, yes, but the payoff, true freedom and fulfillment, is worth every single step. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on creating a life you love. Drop a comment below and tell me what kind of lifestyle business you're dreaming of building. See you in the next video.